Makita XBU02PT1 18V X2 36V blower kit with 4 batteries, blue. Delivers up to 28 minutes of runtime at mid-speed, 800 RPM, using two 18V LXT 5.0 batteries. BL brushless motor delivers up to 120 mph air velocity and 473 cfm of air volume. A sound pressure rating of 61 bar, measured per ANSI B 175.2 standard. Dual-port charger charges 2 18V LXT Lithium-Ion 5.0 batteries in only 45 minutes. Zero emissions and reduced maintenance, no need for gas or oil. No load speed, variable speed, 11,400 21,500 RPM. 6-stage air velocity volume selection dial with variable speed control trigger. Built-in fan circulates air through the battery during the charging process to cool the battery for faster charge time. Click the link in the description to get this product today at the best price.